So for those that have been following me, I do DIYs, and as you know, I have been really into candle making, more specifically wax melts lately. And today I am going to make some waffles to go with the blueberries that I made on the previous video. So what I did was added brown coloring, and then to give it more of a baked look instead of just a dark brown, I added some yellowing because this will kind of make a rich tan color. And I stirred that up together. And you guys, I get my fragrance this time, I get it from various places, but from Flaming Candle, I added a couple. I did kind of a spiced rum cake as well as a maple syrup flavor smell, and it smells so good. So I poured the wax in my mold, and just wait till you see what they look like. They're so adorable, and they go perfect with the blueberries. So follow me for more to see what else I am coming up with.